It's all about the quality with this 1969 GTO. In 2024, it won an award at the Pontiac Nationals and the Ontario Motorama. Body off frame restored. I shouldn't say it's all about the quality because it's also number matched, Pontiac Historical documented, has a build sheet, has cold air conditioning, power steering, power disc brakes, is a wonderful car. You get behind the wheel and go for a drive. Go to volocars.com. That's where you find a price tag on this one and 200 other classic cars that are all for sale, and they all have a monthly payment as well. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Before it gets away from us, this rubber bumper fits precisely. One of the best ones I've seen. There's no damage. They all get cracking. This one doesn't have any of that. Beautiful front bumper. I say this body and paint's probably better than it was when it was new. So it has a dual scoop GTO hood. All of this is laser beam straight, no rust, no damage, no blisters. Look at that, right down to the bottom. It is smooth as glass, square, flush. I purposely rolled these windows up. See how nice everything fits. No vinyl top, just all pretty paint, all smooth, glossy, all the way down to the bottom. All of this is slick. It even feels slick. They must have ceramic coating on here or something. All this is super nice, clean, smooth, right around the wheel well lip. Not a bump or a bubble. All clean. The seam between the rocker and the quarter. Look at that. It's square and flush like a Mercedes. Shuts like new. No rattles. All this is excellent. Real nice. The paint is Mayfair Maize, the original color. Like I said, no vinyl top. It never had a vinyl top. And it is polished smooth and glossy. I actually didn't find any cracking or paint issues anywhere. Not saying there isn't one, but I didn't see any. It's beautiful paint. The stainless trim isn't just replaced. It looks like it's polished like chrome. Around the wheel wells, the rain gutters, around the front and back windows, all polished beautifully. The grills are in excellent shape. Has the correct 1968 antenna. It's kind of oval. It's not round. That's correct for this car. Emblems look like they're new. Door handles are very good. They're not new, but they're very good. It's sitting on what we call poverty wheels. That's the base wheel, black painted rim. The poverty hubcaps, they're in mint condition, really nice. And they're wrapped in reproduction, wide oval, radial, or not radial, the old bias ply redline tires. The windshield and back window are new. The rear bumper is re-chromed. The tail lights look really nice. And it has an optional remote mirror. Let's open it up. You're going to especially love the trunk and motor compartments. This is one of the best trunk compartments I've seen in a long time. Clean and complete. Look at underneath here. It is polished as slick as it is on top. It has new sticker, not even wrinkled yet. But look at the detail. Little rubber bumpers. Look at the jam. Painted slick as can be. The seams are all real nice. New weather strip. And then when you get inside, the metal is pristine, and it's a nice, even applied spatter finish. Very nicely done. Has reproduction matte. Matching spare and wheel. The rim is all painted black, real nice. It has a matching wide oval tire, and then a restored jack assembly. This is literally how it would have looked brand new. Also, all new wiring. Really nice trunk. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified as these videos are posted. Been getting some incredible cars. We have a great lineup of cars in the works. Door jambs are painted real nice, rust-free along the bottom. New weather strips and window seals. So the interior has been done beautifully. The door panels are in excellent shape. The armrests look new. The handles and window cranks look new. The dash pad, this whole dash pad has been replaced and it fits real nice. It's an excellent pad. The vents look new. The chrome bezels and the wood grain look new. The instruments are very clean. The clock is optional. They call it a rally clock. It's only right twice a day, but it's there. Same thing with the original AM radio. It's there. It's in the hole. Nothing's cut up. It's not working. All this is nice and clean. The AC vents, it's all there. Kick panels are nice and clean. Underneath the reproduction floor mats is really nice carpet. It fits real nice. It's not wrinkled up. Complete set of original seat belts. Reproduction console. Usually they're beat up. This is all new. Even the shift knob, so that's really nice. Bolted down real nice. Seats, you can tell they have new cushions in them. So they're all rebuilt, recushioned. Has a new chrome trim and the plastic back. That's all been replaced. Same thing in back, reproduction mats, nice carpet, original seat belts. The upholstery is in excellent condition. Side panels, armrest, window cranks, all that is excellent. The rear window tray, all the trim around the inside of the windows in excellent shape. The sail panels on the side, they're almost always wrinkled. These are really nice. Headliners replaced, fits real nice. Dome light works, has the shoulder belts. The visors have been redone, match the headliner. The rear view mirror is even new. Has a really nice looking deluxe steering wheel. It's a good looking wheel. So yeah, very nice interior. Now you see why I bought this car. Quality is all there, folks. It was sold new in Oklahoma. As I said earlier, it has the Pontiac Historical paperwork and the original build sheet. Look at this engine compartment. This is detailed. This is beautiful. It's fresh. At the heart of it is the original numbers matching 400 motor. All the valve covers, air cleaner, all that's replaced, but it's all correct stuff. Vacuum lines, stickers, it's all there the way it's supposed to be. All the correct manifolds. Factory air conditioning system. This is all serviced and rebuilt. We replaced the heater control valve. But look at the firewall and look at all the components on the firewall. The rubber's replaced, the mesh is all there, the squirters are hooked up. So all nice and clean. The right clips, it's all painted nicely. Here's the washer fluid bottle. The radiator and the cap and the shroud all look new. You can't see it, but the clutch fan looks new. The alternator's new. It has power steering. Spring clamp battery cables. Look at the power brakes, all cadmium plated booster. The lines are new. This even has date coded reproduction spark plug wires dated 1969. And again, look at the firewall underneath the hood. This is a show quality engine compartment. You'll be proud to show it. Now Michael's going to take you for a test drive, and we'll see you back in a few minutes.
All right, everybody, we got a sweet vehicle here today. This GTO is just awesome top to bottom. What a beautiful frame off restoration. It's like I got in it, 2 taps on the gas and cranked like once over, and that was it. She's purring. Absolutely beautiful car with a numbers matching drivetrain on it. That's the original 400. And the automatic transmission as well. Both got the VIN number stamped on there. And it's really done up nicely to kind of stock specs, if you will. It's very, very original looking everywhere you check it out. Nice quiet ride over the bumps and cracks there. And yeah, this one just seems just ready to rip. Let's see what she's got. right, and just like that, up to highway speeds with absolutely no issue at all. Nice and smooth, clear across the power band there. Has all the power you could ever want. I really eased into it, you know. Just trying to baby her a little bit. She is, again, numbers matching, so. But yeah, interior is great too. Nice and comfortable, no complaints anywhere you look at this one. I'll tell you that. Drives nice and straight going down the street here. We did give it an alignment. Our shop went over it top to bottom, and there was several things that they fixed on it, including the alignment. We had called it about a $1,700 bill on this one. We did fix the air conditioning and the blower and the I believe the rear brakes as well. But yeah, now she's totally dialed in and ready to cruise, running and driving very, very nicely. It's a great experience. I'm sure it's finished off better than the when the car was brand new. So, heck of a lot of fun, and yeah, it makes it even better when they run this nice and smooth. So, no complaints here at all. You want to come test drive it? You can spend as much time with the car as you'd like on our property. You guys are always welcome here. We got lots of people coming out to check out cars and inspect them. Yeah, contact our sales department. They'll be more than happy to arrange that for you. Just give us a day's notice because all the cars are in a museum setting. But as I see it, it's a heck of a lot of fun and a great vehicle. Somebody's absolutely going to love it. Check out all the details on volocars.com.
So underneath of this car is also really fresh. Even the exhaust is a complete reproduction. It has the correct mufflers and it has resonators in the tailpipes. Hardly anyone ever goes to that extent. It has nice turn down tips all tucked up there neatly. This car has disc brakes in the front. That all looks fresh. You know, the brake lines, hoses. We adjusted the e-brake cable, so that's all working. The suspension and steering looks like it's all been rebuilt. It has been upgraded to gas shocks front and back. The fuel tank is replaced. That's all fresh. You look up at the motor, it's spotless. It doesn't even have road grime on it. I don't know if I mentioned, but the motor was rebuilt about 1,000 miles ago. It has its original VIN number matching turbo 400 automatic. Also looks fresh. It has the 1969 tag riveted to the side of it. The drive shaft looks like it's been rebuilt. U-joints are fresh. The rear end is all painted and detailed real nice. Works fine. Underneath, the floors and the frame are all smooth, clean metal, neatly painted, a semi-gloss or satin black. Very neat and tidy under this car. So yeah, condition on this one is really high, and it's a number match documented air conditioned GTO. You can go to volocars.com. Salesman will help answer the rest of your questions, including how you're going to get your GTO back to your driveway and how to get it financed if you need it. Thanks for watching.